It's not easy to make a movie. Sure, it can be as easy as pressing record on an iPhone, but often it's a lot more than that. And just the other day, I realized why that is. Making a movie is recreating every aspect of life when you think about it. Obviously, you see everything through a camera and hear everything from a microphone, but it's way more than that. When you make a movie, you have to dress your characters. You have to make sure you can see them. You have to decorate the set. You have to remember everything you witness. You have to give them a place to live and give them a place to go. Everything has to look crystal clear all the time. Everything has to sound perfect. Everything has to work together. Everything has to feel just right. Everything has to be funded. All the dialogue has to be meaningful. All the props must look realistic. All the sound must be in sync. Every shot must have a purpose. Every action has to be motivated. Every slap, gulp, tear, scrape, laugh, and note must be captured. All of that, every time you hit record. Let's take a look at what went into creating one shot in Frankenstein. How we went from this, yes, it's a black screen on purpose, representing how it literally started as nothing, to this. It all started with just a thought, a seed of an idea, in this oddly melon-shaped man's head. Anyhow, there in the brain, it was refined and tweaked until it could be written down. After further contemplation, it was time to type it out. Maybe I'll start using a typewriter more often. I wouldn't need a printer then. Then it's time to start thinking about how we're going to show it. So first we draw it, and then we write it. This time on an iPhone. Oh yeah, actors, we need those. Actually, for this shot, we only need him and him. And I guess he was there too, just already unconscious on the floor. Hey Barrett. So we have our actors, and we know what we're going to do, and how we're going to do it. Now, we just need to do it. For this specific shot, we need this, and this. Always have water. Always. Oh yeah. And these two things, this light, this camera, those are pretty important too. We know that Brooks is wearing a trench coat, Barrett and Trevor are both wearing aprons, but I feel like there's something else we kind of need to do for Brooks. Anyways, cool, we got the shot. But we're really just getting started. Now it's time to edit and add visual effects. The biggest pain in the ass about visual effects is that you start with a 3D world, the set, and then the damn video is 2D. But whenever you want to add something back into the scene, of course it has to be 3D. Anyways, we go on to After Effects. And first we gotta separate Brooks from the background behind him. Brooks can't be all alone though, so we have to add the background back in behind him. And then we have to add the smoke, or fumes, or gas, or whatever this is, I never really decided. It would only make sense that when he walks past the smoke, we're gonna go with smoke, that more comes out behind him. But the smoke isn't back there, it comes out of a pipe. Alright, add a mask. But wait, what about this one? Another mask. Well, it needs to shoot out, it can't all of a sudden be everywhere as soon as the tube's pulled off. Alright, add a mask and keyframe it. Oh wait, the camera moves. Okay, track everything and stick it to the pipe. So it doesn't look right? Do it by hand, frame by frame. Alright, time to add some more ambient fumes. I mean smoke. Okay, great. It's not the same color. Add a curves adjustment and tweak the colors. Little goes a long way. Too clear to match footage? Add a fast blur. Looks too choppy to match footage? Switch motion blur on. After Effects crash? Cry. Think it looks good? Show it to Quinn and have him send you a text saying, "It's a great start." Cry again. Export it. Bring it back to Trevor's house, put it back in the movie, add sound effects, music, bars, position it, grade it, and for the love of God, save it before you do anything else. Now do that 137 times over, and you have yourself a movie called Frankenstein.